In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send free text messages in GoHighLevel. Before we jump in, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account with permissions to install apps. We're going to connect an integration called MyCRMSIM, which enables free texting options inside your sub-account. Exact availability can vary by region and plan, so always review the provider's terms and messaging policies to stay compliant with opt-in and unsubscribe requirements. Start by opening the App Marketplace inside GoHighLevel. You'll find it from your main dashboard. Look for the Marketplace or App Marketplace option in the sidebar. This is where you can safely add tools that expand what your CRM can do without custom code. Once the Marketplace loads, use the search bar at the top and type MyCRMSIM, all one word. Double check your spelling so the listing appears quickly. If you don't see it right away, clear any filters or make sure you're browsing the correct marketplace view for your account level. When you see the MyCRMSIM listing, click it to open the app page. Take a moment here to review the description, supported features, and any notes about free messaging. This page is designed to help you confirm you're adding the right integration and to understand what permissions it needs. If ratings or documentation are available, skim them so you're confident about the setup. Next, click Install. GoHighLevel may show an authorization prompt describing what the app can access. Read through that carefully, then proceed. If your account uses role-based access, ensure you have the rights to connect integrations. Otherwise, ask an admin to complete this part. You'll now be asked to select the sub-account where you want free texting enabled. Choose the specific sub-account that will send messages. This matters because integrations are scoped. Installing it on one sub-account won't automatically apply it to others. Selecting the right one keeps your data organized and prevents accidental use in the wrong workspace. After you've picked the sub-account, click Continue to finalize the installation. GoHighLevel will complete the connection and return you to your workspace. From here, you'll see MyCRMSIM available within your selected sub-accounts integrations. Most providers offer a brief on-screen guide after install. Follow any prompts to confirm default settings and review how messages will route. A few quick tips before you start sending. Always test with your own number first to confirm deliverability and formatting. Make sure your contacts have provided consent. Include opt-out instructions like reply stop to unsubscribe where required, and monitor your sending limits or fair use policies so your free tier stays active. That's it. Your GoHighLevel sub-account is now connected to MyCRMSIM, and you're ready to send free text messages with confidence.